Hello YouTube people, just a little unboxing video today just for fun, even though I'm releasing video about this watch tomorrow and I had this watch for a week already. I still remember my first impressions and I'm gonna tell you about those first impressions. This one I received yesterday and oh my god, this thing looks just incredible. I did photo shoot on this watch and I'll release video about this watch next week. And this one I have just got it. This one I have just took off the plastics, and basically I'm making this video because of this watch, because it looks unbelievable, and I'll also make video about this watch next week. So let's begin, let's have some fun. Let's begin with Pagani. Pagani. They sent me this watch as sponsored, so Pagani Design, thank you very much. So what were my first impressions? To be honest, I have never watched a video about this watch. I never saw pictures. I somehow wasn't really too interested. So I only saw Pagani Design renderings that they sent me to my email, and honestly I wasn't too impressed by those renderings. So when I took this watch out of the box for the first time, it was actually the first time I really saw this watch, and I was just I'm so amazed. This watch is so beautiful, because in those renderings they don't show you this chapter ring, and this chapter ring has this very beautiful golden edge and little cutouts for the indexes. It looks so good. And a lot of small details that they don't show in the renderings. This watch in person, it's just so nice. Original bracelet, well, it's not sharp, it's okay, but in my opinion this watch really comes to life on custom straps that I will show you tomorrow in the upcoming video. This watch just looks so incredible with custom straps. It's amazing. And also it has sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel. And speaking about the bezel, this is probably the first Pagani Design watch that has actually a good bezel. Because look, it's actually strong. I have to twist the whole watch to move the bezel. It has plenty of friction. Each individual click is very loud, it's very noticeable. It feels great. This bezel feels great on this watch. So yeah, finally Pagani Design started making proper bezels. So yeah, very nice watch, especially on custom straps. So video about this watch tomorrow. Now this one I have received yesterday. Merkur sent me this watch as sponsored, so thank you Mercury. And this watch looks like my grandparents' watch, and I mean that in the nicest way possible. Also look at the inside of the box. We have this instruction manual book. Have you ever seen such a large book from AliExpress? You know, that's crazy. That's a very large book for a watch at this price point, I would say. So anyway, about the watch, it's vintage style watch, bronze case. I already did photo shoot on this watch yesterday and it is already changing color as I see, so I bet it's real bronze because it's already changing color on some edges. And in my opinion, this is one of the coolest looking watches that I ever had. This is unbelievable. What's interesting about this watch, that it is a jump hour watch. Let me show you real quick. Oh, this is not a screw down crown, so I can just pop the crown out and show you how it changes. Clicked very nicely right on the middle, clicked very nice. This watch looks unbelievable. I really love the look of this watch. Can't wait to make the video about this watch next week. Let me show you how it looks on my wrist. This strap, by the way, usually nylon straps when they are new, they feel a little bit rough, a little bit like sandpaper, but this one, no, this one feels more like some kind of a soft fabric rather than nylon. It's a nice strap, it feels good. On my 16.5 centimeter wrist, oh my god, this watch is just so epic. So epic, it sits so nicely on my wrist. Yeah, this watch is just incredible. I don't even know what to say. You see for yourself. This is my kind of thing. My kind of thing. A vintage style watch, especially on a bronze case. That's unreal. This watch is just incredible. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, I can't wait to make a video about this watch. It provokes my very early childhood nostalgic feelings, because I remember my grandparent having very similar looking watch on his wrist. I still have that watch, and I'll show you that watch in the video of this watch. Can't wait to make a video about it. Now this one, as far as I understand, this is a new release, and I haven't seen any YouTube videos about this watch yet, so let me be first perhaps and show you how this little beauty looks like. This one also my kind of a watch. I just love small vintage style watches, and interesting thing about this shape watches is that you never know really how it's gonna look like on your wrist. Just from the specifications you can read what is the size, but you don't really know how it's gonna look like with this rectangular shape. So let me put it on my wrist and let me show you how it looks like on my 16.5 centimeter wrist, to give you the understanding. So that's how it looks like. Perfect. It looks perfect on my small wrist. The size is simply just perfect. And in real life it actually looks a little bit smaller than on camera. I don't know, because of perspective from the camera, I believe, but when I look at this watch in real life, it looks a little bit smaller than appears on camera, so keep that in mind. This is incredible looking watch. I just love the style like this, a vintage style. This watch and this watch, a vintage style. I'm not saying Pagani is not nice. It's a very beautiful watch. But speaking about personal taste in watches, vintage watches are just my thing. That's just my thing. So this one is automatic, and look how slim it is. Automatic watch and how slim it's nice. It's basically as slim as those Adidas Dive quartz watches. I will show you. I probably gonna show you in comparison. I don't know if I can do that in a sponsor video, but let me just tell you, it is basically as slim as most Adidas Dive quartz watches that I love very much. This one is also automatic and also pretty slim. Take a good look. I will make a video about this watch next week. And what's very interesting, what I will try to do is look at those lugs. And I believe the strap on this watch is probably 22 millimeters. So I know for sure this watch has 20 millimeter strap. Hold on a second. Pagani for sure. Pagani, yeah. Yeah, that's 20 mil. So let's put it next to this. Yeah, so this is 20 mil strap, so this must be 22. And you know what? This 22 mil strap seems like it is squeezed in quite a bit, as you can see. So I have a feeling that 20 mil strap should sit on this watch rather well, probably. And how do I remove this strap? That's a good question. I probably have to remove those tiny screws right there. I believe they are holding those lugs. So I'm gonna try that in my video. I'll try to remove this original strap, and I will try to fit custom straps on this watch. So that's the goal, but well, I don't know, maybe it won't be able to come out. I might have to cut this off in order to take it off. Don't get me wrong, it looks beautiful. This watch on this original strap looks beautiful, but I just don't like the limitations of having a watch just on a single strap. You know how much I love playing with watches with custom straps, and especially showing you in my videos how every given watch looks like on custom straps. In my opinion, that's a lot of fun. So one way or another I will get this strap off the watch. If I need, I will cut it off. Sorry, but that's probably gonna happen if I won't be able to remove those lugs somehow. So yeah, gonna be interesting video. Also, this watch, when I'm gonna make a video about this watch, I will try to remove the case back and show you the movement. By the way, look at the case back, it looks so good. Interesting story about, look at the bottom line, it shows north and east coordinates. If you enter those coordinates into Google Maps, they will lead you to Merkur factory, I believe. That's cool. That's very, very cool in my opinion. So yeah, I will show you the inside of this watch and the inside of this watch, and I don't need to do anything to show you the inside of this watch because it has this display case back. So you're gonna see this watch tomorrow, this one at the end of next week, I believe. Beautiful. Everything about this watch is beautiful. This one is 100 meters of water resistance, a screw down crown. Crystal is mineral. It has automatic movement. Oh my god, this watch looks so nice, so nice. Those hands, it's just, yeah, I really love it. I really love it. Hold on, let me remove this protective plastic from the case back. Come on, it's really tight. Yeah, fresh. Fresh. It looks good. 100 meters, screw down crown, screw down case back. Wow, that looks really good. I love this logo on the dial as well. I think on this style watch, this logo looks just perfect. Oh yeah. I really like it. The proportions, everything, the placement of everything, I think it's just perfect. And I love 12 o'clock indexes. Oh my god, I'm so happy, like a little child playing with toys. I'm telling you. This one as well. Oh my god, just look at this watch. That's, oh my god, yep. I love them. Pagani, you know what I really love about Pagani design? You buy a watch like this, you get sapphire crystal, you get ceramic bezel, you get the screw down crown. No, Pagani is just that kind of essential brand that needs no introduction. This is the brand that actually responsible for getting me hooked on AliExpress watches. This is the first brand that I started buying on AliExpress, and I bought one watch. I was, well, it was not the perfect watch, but for the given price it was amazing watch, so I bought another one and another one and another one, and right now I probably had like 20 Pagani design watches, because they always provide, you know, you always, basically almost always get sapphire crystal, almost always get ceramic bezel, screw down crowns and everything. That's what I love Pagani, about Pagani design. You know, they don't fail at this regard. So Pagani design, thank you for sponsoring me this watch. It's a beautiful watch. Merkur, thank you for sponsoring me this watch. I'm just amazed, man. I'm just amazed. This watch is just wow. This looks epic. This is one of the coolest looking watches that I ever had. It looks incredible, and I'm very biased because it looks like my grandparents' watch. This one as well. Thank you Z-Time watch store from AliExpress for sponsoring me this watch. This watch looks insane beautiful. I couldn't tell a single bad thing speaking about design. Wow, I'm so happy. So of course I'm gonna put links in the description and in my first pinned comment where you can find these watches and buy them. So thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye.